Welcome to Niah Bear Surprise, the Unicorn Edition. Today I have Lily with me. I'm Lily and my channel is Lily the Unicorn.
Hey unicorns! Today we have a fully unicorn edition video with unicorn surprises in this unicorn bag. It says birthday on it, but that's okay. It's nobody's birthday, don't be confused. This bag is too big, so you can't see anything. Inside this bag, Niah, if you get out, there's a unicorn little book bag. That's for Lily. Can you get it out of that bag? Don't peek at the other stuff. Just grab it out, pass it to Lily. Pass it to her. Both of y'all sit down, please.
What?
That's Lily's bag. All right, you. I'm gonna set yours this way so you can reach in to grab your stuff without peeking.
Does it have the same?
Yeah, except for there's a game and something else in yours, but that both of y'all can use. But they are the same.
We could probably play it on the video.
Yeah. But all right, go ahead and start opening up your unicorn surprises, and make sure you show all of them to the camera.
What is that?
That is unicorn tic-tac-toe.
How do you even play? Oh, it's a candy.
You take turns with colors. A unicorn candy. Can you see that?
Wait, I just saw that on a video I was watching today.
You did? Oh, let me see. It is Cuddly Cuties Milky Chocolate Candy Unicorn. It says you are magical. You can set that in the middle, and then Lily set yours on this side, and Niah set yours on that side. There, if you want to move these out of the way, it might be easier. The stuff to play is right here. Show me the stuff as you pull it out. Let's see what you got. What is it? Candy dispenser. So squishy. Unicorn. Open a nut. Yeah, go for it. Let's see them.
Look at all of mine is just sugar.
Yeah. yeah. Sugar.
That's so squishy.
Ooh, a good one. Ooh. They are so pretty. They're so cute and squishy. Can I feel one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. It's like hard for the candy part, but then the outside is squishy, like your face is squishy. And then the little...
If I get a surprise, I'm going to wait until the end.
Okay, well, I'm going to put yours on that side, and I put yours on this side, and then I'll... Oh, you're going to wait for the end for surprises? What do you got?
Well, I don't even know what this is, but it's squishy unicorn shakes.
Yay!
I have that in my giveaway.
Yep.
What giveaway?
You can enter it. It's still on the YouTube.
Well, they had to have like 1,000 subscribers to do a giveaway.
You can do it whenever you want to do it. I mean, it's not sponsored. Oh no, it broke. It must have just broke. It was not broken, but we can glue it back. It's a lip gloss.
It is?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it did break the horn.
Yeah, that sucks.
Okay.
That's
At
okay.
least this is right.
Yeah.
She has a little horn. Little junk.
yeah. Lots of junk. That's a, can we see? A unicorn.
Yeah, and it looks really
Lollipop.
It looks like it's not even edible.
I know, it's so
Whoa,
weird.
I
This-
think I have.
Yep, and yours isn't broken.
I like
The-
that one better.
Yeah, that's very pretty. The purple one. I thought I gave you the purple since purple was your favorite color, but that's okay. We can always get another one if we can't fix yours.
And here's my last thing.
And this is a shrink art unicorn.
Hatchems are the same thing.
Yeah,
It's a hatchems thing.
Hatchems.
That's so nice.
Let's see. What do you got left, Niah? Probably only 2 things left. This one, the same as well.
Hatchems too.
Yep, they grow and hatch from an egg.
Yeah, so you have to like. So it's like a hatchem one?
I guess.
No, not
No?
really. You have to like. I think you have to do. Oh my gosh! You have to kill it. No, you have to punch it, and then it will. I'm glad the head will pop up.
Okay. Wow.
A
There's,
lollipop just like Lily.
you got a purplish, you got a pink.
One more thing.
Last thing. I think I know what it is because I see them else. Yes. Smushy mushy.
Horn.
I know, it's very cool.
I'm
So what are y'all going to open first next?
gonna open this.
The lip gloss?
Yeah, that. I want to open this.
Can we do the same things at the same time so it's not too confusing? We'll take turns picking. Niah picked this time, and then Lil can pick the
I
second thing.
really want to just do all like the stuff that. I wonder if it's scented.
I wonder if so. Surprises.
Oh, it smells.
Does
Smell
it?
is
What's-
that is
Ooh,
not
it smells really
surprising
good.
and save the surprises for last.
Oh, makes sense, yeah.
You want to save the surprise for last? What? Which, yeah. It smells like a grape lollipop.
Does it? What is yours?
Smell mine. Wait, can I smell? Yeah.
Oh, they smell different, yeah. That
Can I
smells
smell
good.
yours?
It's like a strawberry.
This smells so good. I want to eat it so bad. Oh, it's really great.
Uh-huh.
It's used to eat chopstick. And you stick chopstick.
Yeah.
My
that's true.
mom's twin used to eat all of her chopsticks so she could never wear it.
What? That's crazy. All right, Lil, what's next?
I really want to open this.
All right, I guess we're doing a surprise. Because really, I mean, the candies can be last anyways because you still have the art or the game we can finish. The candies you can just open when you want to eat
How
them.
do I open this? I don't. Oh, here, right here, I think. It's kind of like a zipper to the other
You don't
one.
need this.
Wow, it sounds. Yay, ASMR channel. Welcome back to Niah ASMR. Today we'll be ASMRing this.
What? I don't know what she's
You have
talking
to push it.
I have no idea. Oh, push it?
No, like punch it.
Oh.
Hard, really hard.
Oh, goodness. I'm scared. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh.
What? Where's
Is it gonna relax?
Wait, honestly, I love it. It was so gross.
Do yours.
Where
huh?
is the face?
I have no idea. It's
Oh
so
my
weird.
god, this is so disgusting. I love it. How did this thing fit in this?
I don't know. It's like exploding. Is it supposed to be that big?
Yeah.
What? Does it relax?
Wait, the face?
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh.
Ew! Ew, this is disgusting.
So weird. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Wow. I'm glad you knew how to do it because otherwise that would have been confusing. I wouldn't have thought to
How
do
do
it.
you open this? How do you? I don't know how to open this.
Let's see.
Then how did you? To be honest, I don't even know. I just tried. Oh my god. Try again. Kiwi. I need help, Kiwi.
That thing is so weird.
Oh my god. I want to squish it. It's like a balloon.
Oh, wait.
Look at it pop, 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 pop. Ew, why is the head so huge and the feet is so small? This is disgusting. Does it even have a body? Who made this? Sponsor this channel. Whoever made this. Please. Oh my gosh. She looks kind of weird, but I'm glad she has a face.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. All right. It looks like it looks a little like you got Gwyneth.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
The
goodness.
eyes.
Let me see.
Why is he
Wow.
so weird? The eyes. I got a gallon.
And you got.
They look nothing like the picture. I got
No.
catfish. Oh my god. They
I think you
do
got
look-
Gwyneth. Oh wait.
They look
Yeah.
nothing like the
I got
picture.
one, right?
Yeah.
This eye is
And-
bigger. This eye is bigger, and this eye is smaller.
Is it? Oh my god. What?
And Niah?
Look at this color. And then look at that color. It makes no sense.
Niah, you got Cordelia.
Ew, smell it.
I don't.
Oh, I'll get it. Yeah. And guess what?
We can get like characters too.
Uh-huh. You see these were only the unicorn ones, but Niah, yours was common. Guess what, Lo?
What?
Ultra rare.
No.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be famous. Sponsor this video right now. Sponsor my channel.
Look, does it have a face? Why is it ultra rare?
And it has a face. It's just like stretched out right now.
Face matching.
The eyes are the blue part.
I love how this sounds.
Yeah. That does
I
sound.
know, Kiwi.
All right. I'll take the trash.
Oh my gosh, I almost popped it.
Pop.
This is so scary.
We
Guys,
popped.
you get a pop.
Okay, y'all can keep playing with those. After you open the last surprise.
Last one, dog.
Daddy, hold me.
Daddy Peace. Daddy Pieces.
Oh.
Oh.
I hate it when I have to nails.
Let me know if you need help. 'Cause, yeah, sometimes it's hard
Please
to.
help me. I'm
Mhm.
scared.
Are you terrified?
No.
Oh, okay.
This guy knows if he's terrified of pickles.
That is so strange. Pickles are not scary.
He's like, oh my god, get away from me.
Wait, somebody is?
Yeah.
Who? Oh, that's its eyes, probably.
Mm-hmm. The blue part's his eyes.
Ours is weird. You know why?
Wait, guys, sometimes they know
You
when
need
I
help?
did on our like third try of doing this. Blah, 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 blah. That was her.
Yeah, it was very serious. Like, not gonna work.
Like what?
You're like, oh,
Me?
You said Niah, welcome to Niah Bear Surprise, but you said
wow,
it like her.
beautiful.
Cute.
My little pony, my little pony.
Remember the one?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking
Mommy, do you
about.
remember it?
I don't know what y'all are
Like the
saying.
one that did that.
Ow! My little ow. My little booty.
Ow, I need help.
Okay.
Ew, you unibrow. Ew. My little ASMR.
Ew.
It's an ASMR. Mine doesn't look like anything. Wow. Oh, I'm not like Oh my god. I like this. Mwah.
Y'all are so strange.
Ew! Y'all just put your mouth on it. Are you gonna open it?
Yeah.
This is the
I
cutest
got that one. I got that
Oh, cute. Yep, I love that one though. Is that the narwhal?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I got that last time. It's a good thing.
Oh, Mary
Aww,
Helen.
that's cute. And you got a different one. Do they smell good?
So I have
can't
an
smell
idea.
Let's open the collector's guide.
Okay.
Give credit card now.
Oh, somebody
What is
just
How do I
These are
connect
so
this?
cute.
Where is
I
the
never
Measure.
know how to connect this.
Where's the scissors?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the scissors. I need scissors.
Where's the scissors? I said, where's the scissors?
Oh, I want to open it with the scissors. Back off.
Oh, it
bro.
doesn't have a hole in it. So
Yeah, it does.
you could put that on the little one.
Yes, it
Where's
does
that?
right here.
And the hole's not punched through.
Oh,
But she got the narwhal.
that's so cute.
Yeah, you can set
And
it.
it comes out. Oh, it's so adorable.
I'm gonna come to open my bestie.
I don't open the bestie. This is my bestie.
Put it down on this.
So
Cute. Let's let the camera see. Oh, that is cute. Put it down. I can't see. You have to sit because I can't see you.
Like that?
No, you need to sit. Y'all both keep doing that. There it is. She got Libby Llama. Oh, the llama.
Oh, I thought it
And
was
Candy Cotton Corn. And then
Oh, mommy.
Lily got Nixie Narwhal and Sheila Shake.
Mommy.
Yes.
There's like sprinkles or something on my
Oh, okay, now I
And I can see her first. That had an extra piece, so she gets to go first.
Mm-hmm. The pink is the first layer.
Beat that to the pie.
That's weird.
She's in the way.
Mm-mm. Oh, you missed it again. You can do
No,
diagonal too. Look. If you would have went there. Well, now you have to go there. She won. All right, now Lily's turn to be pink. Yep, 3 in a row. Lily's turn to be pink. And she gets to go first. Wash them out.
Okay, why did you call me Sunny?
Because you, it's senpai.
I don't know what pie made of sun is.
Oh my goodness.
Is it a pie made out of sun? Nice, your turn.
No, that's not what senpai is.
Oh, no. Only heard of moon pies.
Oh my god, I don't even know what to do.
Ooh.
Dude, no, don't tell her what to do. Do not tell her. Please, it's only senpai. Please, it's only senpai. 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 Senpai.
Make sure it's the game is if she gets 3 in a row, she wins. There you go. Yeah.
We don't-
You can't. Once you put it in, you can't take it out. But that's to block her because if you wouldn't have blocked her, she would have put hers there and she would have won like you did last time. Now it's her turn. Oh, there's a move. If you put it somewhere, you're gonna win either way. That wasn't it. If you would have put it here, you could have got that one or that one. Oh, she got you. You both won one.
How?
Pretty cool. It's 3 diagonal. No, 1, 2, 3. That's a straight line.
Oh.
Very cool. Y'all can play that more later. Do y'all want to do one of these shrink arts?
Yeah. Snail.
You color it in, and then I think we bake it.
You what?
You color it in with the markers. You pick one or two.
Did you say
Just-
you bake it? No,
yeah,
you.
yeah. And then it shrinks and it comes hard and it would be like an ornament or something.
I'm
It
gonna
only
do.
comes with 3 markers.
I'm gonna do a rainbow and the side.
You have to share the
The markers.
yeah, there's only 3 and there's 1 glitter glue. So you also have to share that. There's not a lot of
Which
glue.
one is glitter glue?
I'm gonna give it to you after you're done coloring. You can both add glitter. All right, here you go. Show us which ones you picked and then we'll show them the finished project.
Okay, so I got a sun.
Cute.
I got this. A
Unicorn.
And I got this unicorn.
2
And
unicorns.
I got a rainbow.
Ooh,
That's
cute.
hearts at the bottom.
All right, start your coloring.
I'm next. Okay, senpai. Sisters! James Charles here.
Oh my goodness, you look crazy. All right, want to show me how you colored them?
Yeah. This is mine, and this is mine.
Like when you do it that fast, I can't see, and you're holding it too high.
Sorry.
It's good. Down lower. There you go.
Okay, but I'm gonna add wow.
Ooh, beautiful.
Glitter on here, but we have to bake it first.
Yeah, so now it's baking time. Good
Wait,
job.
does it? Let's bake these
Bake.
cookies.
We'll have to see.
Candy chocolate. It's not baking that. Those yeah, it's related, but yeah, sisters, let's get into it, sisters. Oh my God, sisters, I'm such a shock. Ah. Okay, you're not making the same color. Oh my God, I'm gonna be pleasure. Oh, oh, wow. Okay, this is so hard. You are a magic cone with a star. Who's scared to eat it? I'm scared. What if it's poisonous? It's not. You silly one. Ah. You look so pretty. What does that say? You are magical. In 3, 2, 1. Door to play. How do you wait that? I don't know. Okay.
So the shrink art out of the oven. They haven't seen them yet. I'm gonna show you guys first.
And they're so small, she said.
Yeah, they're so tiny. They got so little. All
Hey, your hand got
right. I'm just gonna set them down in case they're hot. Look at them. Ready? Open.
Oh my God. No way. That's so cool. Is it hot? Whoa. Oh my God. They look so pretty.
Do you want to add glitter to them?
Oh yeah.
So,
Cute. It's like glass, but it's not.
if you do glitter, do it on the foil so it doesn't get on the table.
Okay.
And then we'll let them dry up there. They're so tiny. I just noticed though, one of yours, Niah, doesn't have the hook is broken, but it'll still be cute to set up somewhere.
Maybe it's a hair on some pie. Are you done? Okay. Wow, Jimmy. Oh my goodness, that's so nice. This is amazing.
They're so tiny. They're super
Oh my
cute.
goodness, this is so... I love this. It's might be my favorite thing.
Yeah, no, I really like it too. I did not expect them to be that small, but that just made them so much cuter.
Oh, it's so adorable.
All right, guys. Well, want to say goodbye and thanks for
Bye,
watching.
sisters. Bye, sisters. Make sure like and subscribe. Enter the giveaway, even though I'm going to win, you know.
Subscribe to Lily's channel.
Yeah. Tell us what your favorite thing was in this video.
Yes, definitely. See you next time.
Bye. Bye, Felicia.